Good morning. I have my Starbucks. Steven, what's up? What are we doing?
Howdy gang.
Howdy gang. All right, so it is 6 o'clock in the morning. We just met up with the Audi guys. There's about 7 cars here so far. We're expecting probably a few more, and then we're gonna go ahead and head down to Buttonwillow Raceway and go to the big Euro meet.
Yeah, you mind or no, you don't mind?
I don't mind. It doesn't look pretty.
So what's your license plate? No. Dang.
Is your blur on the face?
It's funny because you say it's not pretty, but it's still cleaner than most single turbo kit put together that I've seen, man. You know,
All right, let's do a little walk around of what we have. We got the new B9 S5, I think. Got my slow car. Whoa, is this lowered? Lowered Q5. 3 silver B5 Avants. S4.
Hey, how's it going?
Bagged B8. Another B8. And then big turbo S3. All right, so we have everyone here. We're gonna start rolling out now. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cars. I'm gonna go and get some rollout footage for you guys, and then I'll try and catch up with the group if I can. We are headed down to Buttonwillow Raceway now. Oh no, we gotta catch up. Let's go.
Damn it, Tommy.
Let's go, Steven.
Alright guys, tell me where we at.
I have no idea, but
Look at that sun.
we have a straight line of 12 Audis, and I like it. Well, we're just sitting here waiting to get in. Looks like we're probably one of the first groups to be here, but there are some BMWs. There's looks like a 5 Series behind me. All right, we just made it here to the racetrack. Got everyone lined up. There's my car parked next to this nice old GTI. Some more people are rolling in right now. Got some nice booths here. There's APR, I'll have to check them out. Looks like they have an ultra-charged S4.
The white laptop zone.
Hey, Jason, can you pop Genesis code and see if it's clean? Can you pop Genesis code and see if it's clean?
Yeah. Yeah, hang on.
Pulls the grill out, but
Yeah, because the blower's behind there.
I think we can.
Go over to the body work. Love that. Very close. It's awesome.
It's so funny. You took. I was about to ask that. You were looking at it.
It's up over
Oh my gosh.
It's up. So much sassy.
No, yeah, and even if you...
Yeah. See, that's the wing that I need for my car. It's a very clean E46 M3. Awesome track toy. Toyo R888Rs. Nice tires. This car is really clean. Although I would never expect to see chrome wheels on a track car. Pretty sure that the chrome finish is pretty heavy, but these look like pretty lightweight wheels, so might balance itself out. Oh, what? Check out that inlet. That's sweet. GT350. I don't think it's alright. Nice color.
Oh, well, thank you.
I feel like this is the one that Jordan saw.
Attention in the paddock, attention in the
Wow, look at this.
Your track session will be
Very
next.
clean.
Novice group,
2002.
please bring your cars to the hot.
This is the perfect combo. The Cayenne towing the Cayman. It's perfect.
Sorry.
Check this out. Spray on clear bra. Very cool. Alright, so we are on the fast session right now. These cars are V8 swap E36 M3s, Camaros, Corvettes, all the big motor cars. They're out here. These guys are running below 2-minute laps at Buttonwillow, which is pretty fast. So let's go ahead and hear them come. They are flying down the back straight right now, so here they are. Field stacking up.
I told you.
Shake and bake, baby. I like that guy. He's got good brakes. Race car, vroom vroom. Okay, watch this guy come into the brake zone. He's flying. Incredible. And watch this guy. I was talking to him. He's got 7-liter V8. Corvette coming in hot. There's some weird sounding brakes.
I know, yeah.
And M2. Just kidding, M4. I'm gonna put this banner on my car. This couldn't be any more accurate. Racing ruined my life.
What?
Excellent.
No, it was just a...
Well, looky here, looky here. Oh, there's a lot of Merca in this garage bay here. ZL1, 1LE. Corvette. Ooh, M3. And M4.
This is Alex's game.
And E92. Wow, that's clean. Very nice. And E90. Alright, let's go check out some of the cars out on the track. Well, I just found out that you can ride in cars. And so I went up to this tent and I was like, hey, who can I pay to ride in some cars? Normally you can just usually go up to a guy at a track day or whatever and just ask him if you have your own helmet. And everyone's usually cool about that, but today it's BMW Car Club of America sponsored event. So I went up to their tent and I was like, hey, can I ride in a car? And they're like, yeah, which one? And so I'm riding in a Laguna Seca Blue M2. What? Yeah, it's the blue one.
It's Atlantic blue.
Oh, sorry, I don't know colors. Atlantic Blue M2. Oh, dude. What?
Are you going in that 3?
F80 M3, yep.
Probably should read you.
Going in
So the mediums.
that white car over there with the red
Swap
interior.
whoever's in the car.
That works.
I have one medium. I'm just not sure. Someone's really small.
You can do it! Make us proud, honey.
That was awesome. He's a good driver. He's fast.
You were hauling.
Yeah, he's fast. So I just got out of the M3. The driver was absolutely crazy. He threw it around the track super hard. Didn't care. He's like, yeah, this ain't my car. I'm just gonna throw it around. But it was a great time. A lot of fun. That car's really fast. I can see why people like him a lot. But this just showed up. Absolutely beautiful RAV10. That's a great, this is a great red.
Audi has good red. They have good red. The one thing I don't like is the back sticker though. Ready?
Fascinating.
I'll take a picture.
Fascinating. Well, it's supercharged.
Not there.
I asked for it. A lot more cars are showing up.
Oh, he's
Pretty cool.
airing out.
Hey Danny, look, a Mini.
In Carmel, and I was riding with Kevin, and he was up next to us.
Bavarian Tuning Motorsports.
When I was
All right.
riding Fast and Furious.
I was like,
And he's got the same scan gauge. Cool.
Oh, and I'm like,
And a cage.
This is a Ferrari.
Very nice.
And I was like, fuck.
But
messed it up.
this is now my favorite car here. Why? Because I'm weird. But the real reason, sequential shifter.
Okay, you're not a cheap guy.
I want one of those transmissions so bad for the Audi. They're so cool. Also has the brakes I'm looking at getting, Spartas. Very nice car overall.
Change of plans. I didn't bring my bag of rags.
Quattro Crew.
I had it right by the door.
There we go.
by end of this semester, I'll major league out.
One guy like, oh my god, I went shooting, man. I didn't know the last mile of the fucking drive out was dirt. And you're like, that's like bigger than my heart. I'm concerned about it. Spray the whole goddamn thing with China or call it a day.
Or yeah.
Alright, so I'm going for a ride in a big turbo RS3 right now from, what is it?
Georgia Malacca Motorsports.
Malacca Motorsports.
Check us out.
Honestly, I know you guys have seen you a lot on YouTube. I just haven't pronounced the name. But here we go.
We'll wait till we get off site so we don't piss anyone off.
Yeah, let's not get kicked out.
We'll be back.
There's no way! Oh my gosh! Wow, that was $1.40. Wow.
Yeah, sorry, I hesitated on the shift there in manual.
It's probably too fast for like yourself to even shift. You gotta like leave it in automatic, huh?
They say you can leave it in sport, but manual can really ride out the gears.
All right.
So to give you guys some background, that's it's a big turbo unreleased Zona rotor kit from IMS Motorsports. So it's going to be Ira's Motorsports down in Vegas, and we're one of the first, actually the first. We just wanted to see what was going on back there. We're coming back. Thank you. So running full 85, making about 670 wheel on ethanol, and right now it's at mid-range for where the turbo kit can push down. Hank's running a lot more power than we are, but it's fun. It's a great little car, and if you guys have been watching our YouTube channel, we've been killing quite a few big power supercharged V8s, twin turbo V8s. It's been a fun little car.
Yeah, I actually saw you guys against Alex's.
Oh, we got spanked.
That wasn't fair at all, but absolutely incredible car. Thanks a lot for that ride.
Yeah, no problem.
That was fun.
I'm glad you had a good time.
Watch out, he'll run you over. I don't know what happened, but I ended up in a Mustang with a giant carbon fiber hood. At least it's a manual though. It's a lot of fun. Okay, this is gonna seem really weird, but I have this little like energy drink down there, and it turns when the music's really loud. So ready?
Bad bitch, really you just doing bad bitch. Fronted on me,
oh, it's turning. It's turning.
Until I came up like a savage.
Look.
She could barely fit that ass and asked it. You fronted on me when
Get satisfied with the little things. You'll have a great time. What did you just open up?
A Bang energy.
Bang!
Oh my god.
This road is making me want to do some very, very illegal things. Alright guys, this is an emergency. So I've been filming all day long and I'm not really prepared for it. So my battery is flashing. It's like, you're gonna die in like 5 seconds. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and everyone's trying to mess with me right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I tried to get as much footage as I can of all the cars that were there. There were kind of a lot. I had a great time meeting the guys at Malachi Motorsports. I forgot. George and his beast RS3. Car was insane, and I also had a really good time with BMW Car Club of America going out on the track at Buttonwillow. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.